We're gonna start over. I have no lipstick on. Okay, third time's a charm. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we're crafting with box 214. It's a little craft that we have for Valentine's week.
Valentine's.
Yes.
There was a clue there. So we're starting with a jar, and it's going to end as a conversation jar.
Yeah, sitting around the table with your family. We have some questions. So we're going to decorate the jar, and we're going to put the questions in the jar, so you will never have nothing to talk about.
Never be silence. It will never be silence.
No. This is cute, quick. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
For the first step, we're going to include both of these patterns here so you can decide which one you want to use, but we are going to Mod Podge them onto the outside of the jar. Like this.
Like so. First thing we're gonna do before we do that is cut a heart in these. So it's super cute on the front.
The easiest way to cut a heart, I would say, is to fold your piece in half. You don't have to put a hard fold in it. And then you can either take a pencil and kind of sketch out half of a heart and then cut it, or you can just wing it.
I'm not winging it.
No.
Because why wing it if you don't have to?
Right.
Okay.
Zoom cut.
Good to go.
All right, so I would just start by putting some of the Mod Podge on the jar. Then we put the paper, Mod Podge over it. This will add a little bit of a texture to the jar too, which I think will be cute. So I'm not trying to make it smooth or anything. Just so that it'll look even, I'm gonna put the Mod Podge over the whole jar. We need more.
We need more.
Mod Podge.
Yeah.
Rubbing over the little edge. So now we're going to set these aside to dry and get to our questions.
It's cute. Mm-hmm. Here, I want
Alrighty.
this one. There we go. Very good. So now we have our questions, which are very fun on this very fun, bright paper. So we're going to cut these out and then roll them, fold them in some different ways just to make them fun inside the jar.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we've given you scissors for cutting out your questions, but if you happen to have a paper cutter, boy, doesn't that make it a lot easier.
Yeah, even a cutting mat and a blade will do the same thing.
Or you can fold your little pieces in some different ways so it'll look cute in the jar. I mean, you can do them all the same way if you want. You could wrap them around a pencil. You could wrap them around the paint sponge brush thing that we gave you.
The handle.
Yeah, we put a popsicle stick because that might be fun. You could accordion style them. So we're going to get busy. This is going to be the thing that might take you a few minutes.
It's fun though.
Yeah. Told you it was going to be quick. These are so cute. Yes. So all we have left to do now is open our jar and put all of our questions in it.
Mm-hmm.
Just fill it up. There'll be more.
You never know what you're gonna get.
You'll fill it up and then let's top it off with a bow, if you so wish.
Jar of love.
There you go. So you can set it in the middle of your dining room table or wherever and enjoy some conversations. We're actually going to give you 3 options here. We have questions for the young family.
Mm-hmm. Questions for
The teen family.
teens.
And then we also have a set of questions for couples. Yeah. So you can pick which set you want and have a conversation. Yes, we are.
Actually.
Oh.
What's your earliest memory?
My earliest memory, probably asking if I could have a sleepover with you in the living room.
If you love us, check yes. If you hate us, check no. I
Yes.
think that's about how it
Right.
went,
We'd always
typically.
and then what we'd do is we'd write the letter and then we'd fold it so that our dad we'd just ask him for a signature. And then
Yes,
we'd
that's
give that
right.
letter to our
Because it
mom.
was approved by him first.
Right. That the sleepover
Right.
in the living room was approved by him. Yeah. Okay,
See,
your
all
turn.
oh, okay.
You ready? Oh, it really wants me to pick. Same one. Okay. If you had one wish and you can't wish for more wishes,
Oh,
what would you
man.
wish for?
Oh, really? Just to go back and make a commercial with you one more time
Oh, yeah.
in front of my Kirk Cameron poster.
We're kind of living your dream then.
We are.
Yes, we are.
That's my wish.
I love it. So these will be fun.
These are fun.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you're inspired. And if you are, then give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button for more. And we'll see you next week.
That's right. See you next week. Charlie, that was record timing.